What are some of the really important areas of research and science in dementia?
I think there are a few important areas. It's hard to pick just one, but certainly one of the most important, of course, is always going to be therapeutic development. And I think what we are seeing in particular at this conference is that their therapies take time to develop. And so you don't always have big news on a new therapy coming out, whether it's positive or negative. What we do get a chance to observe at large conferences like Alzheimer's Association's International Conference is that you have a breadth of therapeutic areas being pursued now. It's not just tau and amyloid today. That's great news for the field. It means we recognize the challenges we face in Alzheimer's. It's not just a singular disease. It's very heterogeneous. But there's also a recognition that in order to really maximize these therapies of the future, we need early detection.
Yes.
We need to be able to detect this disease in the earliest possible time point. And I think in 2011 we really started recognizing, with the advent of the National Institute on Aging and Alzheimer's Association's revision of the criteria of Alzheimer's disease, the recognition that this disease has a time frame that is much longer than we thought. That time frame allows us an incredible window of opportunity in which we can change the trajectory of the disease. And that's really been an important focal point. I think lastly I'll say that what's really keen about this year's conference is that we may not have pharmaceutical news and very great news about therapies. But what we do have is phenomenal news on the effect of lifestyle, on the potential for preventing dementia. What that means that in this long window of opportunity that we know now exists, we may be able to interfere not just with a pharmaceutical, but also with a lifestyle change.